Tianeptine is a psychoactive substance of the tricyclic antidepressant class. It is a medication and sometimes sold as a nootropic substance. Pharmacology. Tianeptine appears to have negligible direct effects on monoamines, such as the release and inhibitions of monoamines and monoamine transporters. It does, however, cause extracellular dopamine release through a mechanism that is not yet understood. It produces its antidepressant effects through inhibition of and alteration of glutamate receptors, such as the NMDA receptor. Unlike other tricyclic antidepressants, tianeptine does not inhibit serotonin's reuptake, but rather enhances it. As you can see here, I have listed the Ki values of tianeptine, and it has no effect on serotonin, norepinephrine, or dopamine transporters. Neither does it bind to any serotonin receptors, but it does bind quite strongly to the mu-opioid receptor, which is responsible for pain relief and euphoria as well as sedation. Here I listed the structures of typical TCAs. The main structural difference is the nitrogen, which is usually on the fourth position of the carbon chain, which is connected to the tricyclic center, whereas on the tianeptine molecule, the nitrogen is directly connected to the tricyclic center. This likely accounts to the different pharmacological profile. What's also interesting is if the chlorine atom is replaced by a bromine, iodine, methyl thio, or other functional groups, it significantly increases the activity on opioid receptors. Tianeptine has also shown to have neuroprotective properties. Dosage and side effects and effects. The pleasant effects include stimulation, euphoria, muscle relaxation, focus enhancement, and anxiety suppression. The unpleasant effects include headaches, dizziness, insomnia, constipation, and heart palpitations. The come-up takes about 30 to 90 minutes. The peak lasts about 1 to 1.5 hours, and the entire high lasts about 2 to 3 hours. I've listed the oral dosages here. I've copied them from PsychoNoteWiki. Risks associated with use. The biggest and most immediate risk with tianeptine use appears to be addiction. Additionally, some people have hypersensitivity to the substance. So if you want to try the substance, it's very important that you make an allergy test first and slowly increase your dosage from there. Intravenous use of the pellets is especially dangerous because many pellets contain silica, which is not water soluble, and this can block capillaries, which can lead to thrombosis and severe necrosis. Due to the fact that tianeptine has weaker recreational properties than most opioids, the withdrawal can feel significantly worse than an equal euphoric dose of traditional opioid. What adds to this is the fact that tianeptine has a very short duration, so it is very prone to redosing and thus causes a rapid tolerance buildup. The withdrawals include flu-like symptoms such as watery eyes and nose, dry heaving, as well as emotional instability. Furthermore, nausea, tachycardia, agitation, and hypertension can be present. At this point, I want to mention the subreddit r/quitting tianeptine. If you are intending to try the substance, please make sure to check that subreddit to get an idea of the substance. The risk of addiction is very real with the substance, just like with any other opioids. So make sure you are careful and take safety measures when trying the substance. Thanks for watching the video. See ya.